Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you improve your Discord microphone quality. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So uh, first things first, after signing in, you need to go over to user settings here and go ahead and go to voice and video and make sure on the input device your microphone should be selected right here. So there, make sure you choose your microphone, and once that is done, uh, we need to go ahead and disable this voice processing, echo cancellation, and noise suppression. Make sure it is none. And last but not the least, guys, is make sure to turn off automatically determine input sensitivity. And for this, guys, we need to make sure that uh, this one, as you can see, the moving part, make sure that this white bar is right above that part. So for example, when you're not, so the way this is done is if you are not speaking, guys. So for example, there, as you can see, it is here, going over here. So make sure that this bar is directly above that. So it will depend, guys, on your mic. So as you can see, when I'm not speaking, it will be here accordingly, right above here. And there, guys, so you just need to go ahead and measure that. The next thing to do is go ahead and not speak and make sure to uh, go ahead and type in a key on your keyboard to make a noise. And in that way, this will improve also the sound of your mic when you're typing, and it will emphasize your voice. So let's try that, guys. So there. So as you can see, it will be right here, directly above here. So make sure it is right above that. So there, as you can see. Make sure to press it hard, guys. So there, guys. So that is how you can fix or improve your Discord mic quality. So okay, guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.